What's going on, guys? We're back with another video today. Thanks for tuning in. I got Mr. Richrod over here. I'm gonna meet him up in the corner so he can pick me up, so we don't get stuck in this little area where we're at. We're launching out, so we're gonna try to do some fishing on the Feather River today. Give it a shot, see what we can catch. We don't know really, but like I said, give it a shot, see what we can do. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we get on the water. Mr. Rich. Richrodfishing. There you go. So yeah, but we'll see you guys out in the water. Oh, I think Richard lost his glasses, and I think we found them. Rich, you want your glasses back?
Yep.
Yeah? Here you go, man. So you can be bedazzled out.
Nice.
Yeah. So here we go, guys. Here she is. All right, here we go, guys. It's a little too shallow, not deep enough, so it's all good. I'll give Mr. Richrod a hand, and we'll be out here in a little bit. Hey, I'll meet you in the corner now, bro.
Oh, shit. On the corner.
A fish catching machine, man. Little Richrod boat, man. We're gonna put her to use.
Okay, the Titanic.
The Titanic. Uh-oh. Richie almost slipped already. Yeah, this guy's getting a little too excited.
Yeah.
Either he's gonna slip or I'm gonna slip. One of us. So yeah. Yeah.
All right. Now let me get in.
Now you can get in, babe. How much? How much? We'll see you guys out in a bit. All right, guys. Well, we're out here. We're on the water, ready to go do some fishing. Hopefully, we can land us a big shark, maybe even a sturgeon, and give us a little shout out here again. It's been a while since I've been out here with Rich, but hey, we're out here. Richard, thank you for the invite.
You're welcome.
See what we can catch. See how good my balance is. Ah. All right, we're gonna drag along. These are the logs we were talking about. If you guys happen to know what these are, what they were before, let us know. I'm curious. But we're just dragging her along.
What do you see in the bottom?
It's all flat. It's all sand. Doesn't seem like we're that deep though.
We're at 5-6 feet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna speed up a little bit.
Go for it. Let's see if I fall.
No. We catch a fish. Is your blade spinning good?
Yeah, it is. Alright, guys, we got something that we're after, but we'll take it. Oh yeah, that's a nice little largemouth. Sweet. Oh yeah, check that out, guys. Got us a largie. Oh yeah. Check that out.
Good job, brother.
It's a good sized little bass, man. What are you thinking?
I don't know, yeah.
I'm not planning on eating it at all. Keep it. I'm just gonna let it out. You have a scale at all?
No, I know how to scale it.
It's a nice little size.
Take a picture. You could have been strapped with people. Yeah. That's a keeper right there.
Oh, definitely. Let him go. All right. So we're using it on
That's still a fight.
Well, guys, I'm out of the boat in the middle of the river now. We're hitting some sandbars, and now I gotta, you know, play. What are we playing? Row your boat, or donkey pull the trailer, or got the tow pig out right here, baby. So yeah, but giving her a little walk, you know, just another day in the middle of the Feather River, just walking. We do this every day. Richard, say hi.
What's up, everybody? We got Mike out here towing me because we hit a log. No, we didn't hit a log. We hit a beach. We hit a sandbar. We're under a foot of water, so we good.
Well, we made it out of the sandbar. Battery died, so we're back on the boat, and now we're doing some fishing. So far, just one largemouth. I want to say about 2 pounds. Maybe 2 pounds. I don't know. I think it's up close to 2 pounds. But we're giving it a shot still fishing. We just saw something right there, so we'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. Let's see what we can get. You guys don't get to see that every day. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, we're back on another one. A little large, smaller guy. Oh, it might be a smallmouth. Where is that? Another good sized large. That's actually bigger. Nice. Very nice. I'll take it. That's definitely all 2.5 pounds right there. Maybe close to 3. Size. Number 2, guys. Hell yeah. Yeah.
Damn. Big dog.
It's too good to count. Guys, you gotta see this. I don't think it's any better than that. That is just so nice, so pretty. Well, guys, we're calling it. Fog's already starting to come in, and it's starting to get dark. Caught 2 bass, which is cool. I've never had fish tacos from bass, but it's always been catch and release for me at the lakes. But if you guys ever had it before, I don't know, let me know, see how it is. I've never had it before. I'm down to try it. It's just I got in the habit of catch and release for the bass fishing. I know it's always been a thing for me at the lake, at least. But yeah, so we're calling it. Me and Richard are taking off. Yep. As you can tell, this fog's coming in. We got to get the hell out of here before it gets a little too scary and dangerous. So we'll see you guys back at the launch. Darker and a lot more foggier than we anticipated, but you know the river, Rich?
Yeah, I know the river. We're gonna be doing this blindfolded, basically. You can't see nothing. It's just a big little cloud in front of us.
Yeah. So we're gonna give it a shot. Hopefully we can make it fine. But yeah, it's getting a lot darker and a lot foggier than we thought. So give it a shot. Captain Rich knows the river so pretty good, so we're good. So we'll see you there.
See you guys on Vegas.
We're back, guys. Damn it, you're fat.
Go to the right. That's crazy. This is what we have to do to get in and out, huh?
Yeah.
How does it feel to walk on mud?
Not too bad with waders.
Is it warm?
Woo! There we go.
Here's a GoPro. Sir, thank you for the ride.
Thank you. Thank you for the invitation. So yeah, guys, we're here at the boat launch. It's a long day, fun day. Caught 2 bass. I'll take it. I'll take it. But till next time, me and Mr. Richard will see you on the next one. I'm thinking about going to Pittsburgh tomorrow, so
Yep.
I don't know. What you think? Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, sounds good.
Got to get me my sturgeon still, so I'll give that a shot.
Gotta
So-
use those tags that we got. We got 2
Exactly.
tags, 3 tags still. So use our
Yeah.
tags up there. All right.
But yeah, thanks for watching this video. See you guys on the next one.
See ya.
But yeah, I wasn't too sure. I mean, I never had bass. I've never. Oh. But yeah, let us know next time. Not next time. Oh, that one sucked. Hold on.